Hey, Ben Norman here, and today I want to talk about momentum. And I see this in various different stages of business, and normally it occurs when things are going well or just before things get great. Now, when I say momentum, what I mean is you put a lot of time and effort into, say, growing your blog, and you put a lot of time and resource, you have lots of members of the team, maybe you've got external people, however you do it. And they're all contributing, and then suddenly it starts doing really well. You've got loads of content on there, people rave about it, and then suddenly things get a bit tight on resource, and well, that's kind of doing really well now, so we can pull a few people away from that, we can save a bit of time on here. That's when you need to stop. Do not do that. What you will end up with is, once you are ahead, you need to stay ahead in any aspect of it, whether it's promoting your business, whether it's optimizing your website, developing a product, whatever it is. Once you are ahead, you need to stay ahead. To stay ahead, you need to keep building on that momentum that you've generated. So often people get complacent. They think, well, we're ahead now. Our rankings are here. We don't need to invest as heavily in that now. We've achieved our task. It isn't a destination, it's a journey. You may be in front, but your competitors will be just behind you. And they're pedaling quite fast to try and catch you. The minute you take your foot off of the gas, you're going to find it's not going to take too long before you get overtaken. And it's not as simple as just starting back up with what you are doing, because what you'll find is they have got the benefit then of momentum. You've then got to get back up to speed, and you've got to pedal faster than them for longer to then overtake them. And this can cover all aspects of your business. I'm using the example of a blog, but I mean, it could be optimizing your website. By the time you get to number one, you've worked really hard to achieve that. Don't get complacent, don't take your foot off the gas. Especially in this kind of market, everybody is trying their hardest to outmarket everybody else. So if you are fortunate enough to get yourself to the front of the pack, make sure you keep that momentum up and stay in front. Because the minute you stop, I guarantee you it will not take you very long for someone to overtake you. And once they have, it is a long struggle to get back in front. So once you're there, keep the momentum up, keep pushing and stay in front.